brand track, and got out 4 track from my album that's gonna come out on the vlog. I don't have a fucking single plain track, but I can rap. It's what I can do. I can rap. I'm the realest. I'm the truth. I rap so hard, just like you. I can fuck you. I'm better than you. I rap so well that I'm the hood. I'm the hood in a way that I sell mixtapes. I'm the hood in a way that I sell albums. I'm the hood in a way that I'm fucking hoes. I'm the hood in a way that I'm kissing hoes. I'm the hood in a way that I'm fucking yes. I'm the hood in a way that I'm fucking on the track. I'm the hood in a way that I'm fucking a bitch. I'm the hood in every single way. I'm the hood. This is my best track. I'm making it. Yes, I am, yes. I'm doing, I know, I knew it, yes. I'm not trying to pass fake shit. I'm rapping so well. I'm rapping so well. I'm rapping so well. I'm rapping so well just because I can. I'm the hood, I'm the hottest rapper. I'm making it. I might have it. I might kill somebody if I don't make it. Who am I going to do when I find out? No, this is the best track. This is the best track. It's dedicated to you, yo. It's the best track. It's the best track. It's dedicated to you, yo. I'm the best rapper in a way. I can rap always. I will never stop from rapping. I'm the best rapper. Nobody can stop me from rapping. Nobody can, because I can rap this well. I can rap this well. I can do 40. I can rap this well. It's my track beat. It doesn't even matter that I'm the best rapper. I'm kissing Yanni rips right now. It's 8 o'clock. This only makes sense. I'm not fake, but you are, yes. I'm rapping to you because this makes sense. It's a game. I'm not gonna break down in this game. I'm the best rapper. I'm gonna kill the game. I'm the best rapper. I'm gonna kill 50 Cent. This is just a joke. I won't stop rapping though. I won't stop when I sell mixtapes on track home. I won't stop when I sell mixtapes on rock home. I'm not a hood rapper, no more. I can make it in this motherfucking game. It's just a game. If I fuck these bitches, niggas, this is just a joke. I'm making it in this game. I don't want it to stop, no. I'm gonna somehow rap on this track, and at the end it's going to make sense that I'm making a fake case. Still I can't fuck this bitch, yes. Still I can't fuck this other bitch, yes. I won't stop until I die, yes. I'm unstoppable when I rap on the track. This is my track, nobody can steal from me, yes. I'm the best rapper, I'm the hood. Somehow I'm going to make it cool. I'm the best rapper, I'm the hood. 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 I'm the best rapper.